Hi everyone, my name is Ahmed and you are watching Jaggu Studio YouTube channel. So today we are going to create curtains in Blender. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so press Shift plus A and add a plane to start with. Then go into edit mode, press right click and hit subdivide. Now come to this menu and set the number of cuts to 60, around 60. RY and press 90 to rotate it 90 degree on the Y axis. Then go into edit mode and come here, select this vertex first, then skip 2 vertices or maybe 3, then select this vertex and press Ctrl Shift and numpad plus to repeat the last step, just like this. Once you have selected all these vertices, then come to object data properties, add a new vertex group and hit assign. Make sure to rename this vertex group to pin. Then come to physics tab and add a cloth physics. Come down to collisions and make sure to check self collision, and in the pin group select that vertex group that we just created. And now if you press play, you will see nothing. So to see something, we have to play with the shrinking factor value. So set a value of minus 2.9 or minus 3. Now if you press play, you will see something. Now select it, right click and hit shade smooth. Now again press play. So now go into edit mode, then select this vertex, this one, and press Shift plus A and select cursor to select it. Now come here to this area and click on this icon to change the transform pivot point and set the transform pivot point to 3D cursor. Now come to object data properties and under shape keys, hit this plus button to add a new shape key and hit this again. You will get this key 1. So now go into edit mode and now scale it something like this 0.2, just like this. Now come back to object mode, come to modifiers tab and make sure to disable your cloth modifier. Then again come to object data properties and come to this shape keys section, come to something like frame 40 and come here, click on this small circle to add a keyframe here. Then go to frame 120 or frame 100 and set this value to 1, just like this, and hit this icon again to add another keyframe. Now select your plane, come to modifiers tab and enable your cloth modifier and press play to see the animation. As you guys can see, if you guys want that a character will come and bring this curtain from here to here, so to do this, first of all add your character. I am using a character from Blender kit. Let's use this one, and now I am just quickly going to animate this character. So first of all I am going on that frame where our curtain appears full, and I am going to place my character here. You guys can do this step on your own self. I am just going to show mine. Okay guys, so I have just created a small animation, not going crazy. Like, I am not going to create a work cycle now because it can took me half to 1 hour. I am just quickly selecting everything. Press I to add a keyframe. Go forward in your timeline to something like 90 to 100 frame. Just wait till here 90, and I am just going to select this root bone and press GY and place it here. Press I again to add a keyframe. Now select your plane, come to modifiers tab and disable the cloth modifier. Press play. Press play to see the animation of the character. So now what we have to do is come here to this spot where we have grabbed it. Come here and select these 4 vertices. After selecting them, come to this modifiers tab and add a new vertex group and hit assign. Then press F3 and search for hook and select hook to new object. So now just select your hook object. Same, make sure to select your rig. See where you have added the first keyframe. In my case it's at frame 33, so select your empty, press I to add a keyframe on it. Then go on the last frame, which is 89. So I am just going to select it, press GY and place it here on his hands, closer to his hands, and press I again to add a keyframe. Now press play to see if they are matching their positions. Yeah, it's okay. Then select your plane and come to modifiers tab. Make sure to place the hook modifier above your cloth modifier, otherwise you will see some problems. So make sure to place it above your cloth modifier and enable the cloth modifier. Then press okay, one mistake. Come here to object data properties and make sure to assign this group to this pin as well. And now press play. As you can see here. Okay, so if you guys see issues like this one, to fix this we can add a subdivision surface modifier and come to this physics tab and increase the quality steps. And if you guys want to fix this issue, then simply just add a subdivision surface modifier and done. I'll just show you guys. See, I have just added a subdivision surface modifier and all these issues are. Now press play. So one more thing we can do is to make this animation more good. Just select this plane and come to these keyframes that we added on our shape keys. Make sure to select all these and move them forward. Like we have added a first keyframe at 33 on our character, so make sure to place this keyframe around 40 to 50. I am placing them on 45. Now press play. Yes, we are done. As you guys can see, that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.